Lachha Pakora is a delicious Indian snack made with gram flour, spices, and sliced onions. Here's a simple recipe to make Lachha Pakora at home. Ingredients: 1 cup gram flour, besan, 1/2 cup sliced onions, 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves, half a teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste, water as required, oil for deep frying. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, combine gram flour, sliced onions, chopped coriander leaves, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and salt to taste. Add water little by little and mix well until you get a thick batter of dropping consistency. Heat oil in a deep frying pan on medium-high heat. Using a spoon, drop small portions of the batter into the hot oil and fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. Take out the pakoras with a slotted spoon and drain on a kitchen towel to remove excess oil. Repeat the process with the remaining batter. Serve hot with mint chutney or ketchup. Enjoy your crispy and delicious Lachha Pakora with your family and friends.